LBW का फुल फॉर्म पता है?
No clue.
You guys know? No.
LBW.
Leg behind wicket.
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the 5th episode of Little Presents the QRT Street Challenge. It's a unique game and a unique quiz show where I'm going to go around and ask people some easy questions. So how about we ask them about sports this time? So last week वाले वीडियो में हम लोगों ने आपसे कुछ suggestions मांगे थे and most of you even agreed that we should make a video on sports. हम लोगों ने आप लोगों के कुछ questions include भी करे इस वीडियो में. So guys, are you ready to see how these people respond to our questions? Come on, let's go! Sania Mirza plays which sport?
Sania Mirza.
सानिया मिर्जा
Badminton.
Tennis.
अच्छा
I don't know. Yeah.
she plays tennis.
Tennis, lawn tennis.
He's a tennis player.
प्रेम रतन अवार्ड कौन सा अवार्ड होता है?
Who plays well?
प्रेम रतन अवार्ड किसको मिलता है?
सचिन तेंदुलकर को
प्रेम रतन अवार्ड मिलता है क्या खेल रतन मिलता है?
मुझे लगता नहीं ऐसा कोई अवार्ड है इसलिए आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर अबाउट इट.
खेल रतन मिलता है क्या प्रेम रतन मिलता है स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन को? प्रेम रतन
ऐसा कोई अवार्ड नहीं है.
कैन यू नेम 5 WWE सुपरस्टार्स फॉर
सॉरी
Triple H.
ट्रिपल एच.
I don't know.
ट्रिपल एच, जॉन सीना,
Randy Orton, Undertaker and
Okay, I know The Rock,
Undertaker, John Cena, Batista.
डू यू नो द रियल नेम ऑफ रॉक?
Dwayne Johnson.
और कोई इंडियन?
सुन याद कर रही हूँ.
खाली खाली
खाली नहीं है.
so are we getting something?
Yeah, definitely. Here's a gift for you guys, and here's a little gift for you. This is what you win.
Okay, thank you
Thank
so much.
you. You guys can even see if there's anything inside. Just to ensure it's not a prank. Oh, there is something.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell us जो last World Cup कौन सी टीम जीती थी?
World Cup, cricket का भी.
West Indies. Last World Cup winner.
हाँ, cricket.
It's India, I think.
यार दिमाग से इंग्लैंड
कौन जीता था last cricket World Cup?
New Zealand.
New Zealand. What do you think?
I think New Zealand. Yes.
What do you think?
I have no idea.
Was it Australia or New Zealand?
I don't know.
Australia, I remember that.
It's not Australia. Yeah, sure. It's New Zealand.
The ODI World Cup was won by Australia.
Can Australia?
Do you think it's Australia?
Australia.
Australia. And here's a little gift for you. This is what you guys win.
Thank you.
Thank you. And here's a gift for you guys. This is what you win. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, according to you, Tiger Woods plays at which position in football? Football में कौन से position में खेलता है?
I don't know. I don't watch football.
ये खोलता है गोलकीपर गोल्फ.
Finally.
Golf.
He plays golf.
Yes, well, I was just testing if you guys knew it.
Wrestling.
Then here's a gift for you guys. This is what you guys win. This is what you guys. Then here's a gift for you. This is what you guys win. You guys can even see if there's anything inside.
What is?
There is. Indeed. All right.
I think it is a T-shirt.
नहीं, हम कपड़े का मटेरियल भी दे देते हैं काफी.
बनवाने के लिए धागे वागे के साथ. Okay, do you know who is Cristiano Ronaldo?
Yeah, he's a footballer.
He's a footballer and he plays at which club? Cristiano Ronaldo, which club?
He isn't like that. What was that name of the club?
So do you know that which club he plays at?
किस पे?
Ask him.
यार रेड कलर की ड्रेस होती है उसकी.
बार्सिलोना.
Barcelona.
No idea.
Is it Barcelona?
Real Madrid.
Real Madrid.
Real Madrid.
Real Madrid. How about Lionel Messi? Messi, have you heard of him?
I've heard, but I don't know the name.
Which sport he is into?
Football?
What do you think?
Football.
Football. And he's at which club?
Manchester United.
No. He plays at which club? Which famous football club? Very famous football club.
I am confused about Real Madrid and Barcelona.
Portugal. Do you think it's Portugal?
Messi plays with Barcelona.
Barcelona. Here's a little gift for you. This is what you guys win. Thank you. Who is the fastest runner in the world?
Fastest runner in the world.
फास्टेस्ट रनर. यार दिमाग ना कैमरा के सामने भूल रहा हूँ सब कुछ.
आपको पता है fastest runner in the world?
वो है क्या नाम है उसका वो दिमाग से ही निकल गया, स्लिप हो गया.
Usain Bolt.
Oh, awesome. You just did that. Can you do it again?
It's the to the world pose.
To the world.
Usain Bolt.
यूसेन बोल्ट.
कौन सा?
Usain Bolt.
हुसैन बोल्ट.
आपको पता था?
मेरे को नहीं पता था.
Usain Bolt.
आप लोगों को पता था?
हमें कुछ नहीं पता, हम बस ट्रैक को जाना.
And here's a little gift for you. This is what you win. Here's a little gift for you guys. This is what you win. And you guys can even see if there's anything inside.
If there's anything
No, yeah, there has
for
to be
you.
something. It's not a prank. If you want, you can even open it. So first Olympic Games was held where?
I don't know.
ओलंपिक गेम्स हुआ था.
को भी नहीं पता, वो हेल्प नहीं करेंगे.
Right.
ये हुआ था.
Beijing maybe.
Beijing.
Yeah.
London or Greece?
I'll stick to London even if it's wrong.
What do you think?
Athens.
Athens, Greece.
Greece.
Greece, I guess. I'm not sure though. Not sure.
Where? I mean, take a wild guess.
Greece, I think. Like, it was.
Greece. It's Greece. It worked for you.
I don't know, sorry.
It was in Athens, Greece.
Yeah.
And here's a little gift for you. This is what you win. Thank you. Thank you. According to you, Dhanraj Pillai used to play which sport?
I mean, really, are you going to keep asking me questions related to sports?
Yes.
Dhanraj Pillai.
Yes. Ever heard of him?
Hockey.
नहीं, अब आप प्रॉब्लम नहीं कर सकते. Or else you will have to be a part of it. Yes.
I have no clue what you're talking about.
Have you ever heard of him? Dhanraj Pillai.
Yeah, I have heard, but I don't know.
पता नहीं.
आपको पता है?
No idea.
Hockey.
Are you sure?
60%.
It's indeed hockey.
Yeah, thanks.
Correct. Who is known as the flying Sikh of India?
Flying Sikh. Flying jet.
Flying Jack?
Flying jet please saying.
है इधर.
नहीं, flying Sikh. Flying Sikh. Sikh. Flying Sikh.
Bhag Milkha Singh.
Milkha Singh.
Milkha Singh.
Yeah, it's that Milkha Singh.
Milkha Singh.
Milkha Singh. This is what you win. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. And here's a gift for you guys. This is what you guys win.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And here's a little gift for you. This is what you win.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks.
So, did you guys use the little app yet? Quickly take out your phones and download the app on your phones right now. The link is given in the description box down below. And if you guys are enjoying a new series of this quiz show, don't forget to give us a big fat thumbs up. Now check out the super cool feature on your mobile phone. So click here to see the 4th episode of Little Presents the QRT Street Challenge. Click here to see one of the best videos of QRT and click on the circle so that you can subscribe to our channel and you can get all our fresh videos first on YouTube. I'm going to see you guys every Tuesdays and every Fridays 4 PM with a brand new episode of QRT. Until next time, goodbye.